Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mandeville Primary from Manchester up against PGA Prep from St. Catherine. I am your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and PGA Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with PGA Prep. Bible knowledge. What was the food of John the Baptist according to the Bible?
Locust and wild honey. Locust and wild honey.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Mandeville. According to the Bible, the hair of which animal made the clothing of John the Baptist?
Camel.
Correct. International affairs. It's a visual question. PGA. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Croatia. Croatia.
Correct. International affairs. A visual question. Mandeville. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Finland.
That's right. Science. PGA. Fossil fuel is a renewable energy source. Is this true or false?
True.
Incorrect. It's false. Science. Mandeville. Solar power is a renewable energy source. Is this true or false?
True.
Correct. Television. A visual question. PGA. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Incorrect. Daniel Craig. Television. A visual question. Mandeville. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
James Bond.
Tom Cruise.
Incorrect. Pierce Brosnan. Brosnan, rather. English language. PGA. Spell athletic.
Athletic.
ATHELETIC.
Incorrect. ATHLETIC. Mandeville. English language. Spell spacious.
SPACIOUS.
Correct. Sports. A visual question. PGA. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Reese
James. Reese James.
Footballer. That's correct. Sports. A visual question. Mandeville. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
James Madison.
James Madison.
Also footballer. That is correct. General knowledge. PGA. Pico de Neblina is the highest mountain in which South American country?
Chile. Brazil.
Correct. General knowledge. Mandeville. Pico Bolivar is the highest mountain in which South American country?
Bolivia.
Incorrect. Venezuela. Social studies. PGA. The descendants of the Caribs still live in Belize, and name one other Caribbean country in which they live.
Puerto Rico.
Incorrect. It's either Dominica, St. Vincent, Belize, Guyana, or Suriname. Social studies. Mandeville. Why were the foreheads of the Tainos flat and broad?
Because they thought it
was attractive.
They thought it made them beautiful.
We won't accept. What we're looking for is when babies were born, the mother shaped their heads between boards so they would grow with the flattened shape. And of course, they viewed that as beautiful. PGA, it's your question now. Music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican artist born Cleveland Lang?
Miguel Collins.
Miguel Collins.
Incorrect. Lieutenant Stitchie or Stitchie. Music. Mandeville. What is the stage name for the Jamaican artist born Damien Beckett?
Chronics.
Incorrect. Baby Sham. Mathematics. PGA. A tractor weighs 6.6 tons. What is its weight in kilograms?
6,600 kilograms.
Well, the wrong answer came first. 6,600 kilograms would be correct. Mandeville, mathematics, a fish tank holds 68,500 milliliters of water. How many liters of water are in the tank?
68.5 liters.
68.5 liters.
That's right, Jamaican affairs, and we don't have time for that or any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Mandeville Primary on 6 and PGA Prep on 4. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Set a regular alarm each day that signals the start of homework and study time. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.